Welcome to Roam Tips. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. All the links mentioned in this comparison are down in the description below. This is based on my personal experience using both services. On Roam Tips today, we're tackling the Boost Mobile versus Verizon Mobile debate. Which one comes out on top in today's market? We'll dissect Boost Mobile and Verizon Mobile, two major contenders in the mobile service arena, to help you determine the ideal fit for your specific needs. Verizon has built a reputation on its expansive coverage and top-tier network quality, offering users dependable connectivity whether they're in a bustling city or a remote rural area. Among Verizon's diverse plan options is the 5G Get More Unlimited plan. This plan boasts perks like HD video streaming, a generous 50 GB of mobile hotspot data, and bundled access to the Disney+, Hulu, and ESPN+ trifecta. This comprehensive package is particularly attractive for power users, including business professionals, avid gamers, and families who demand a seamless experience without constantly monitoring data usage. Alternatively, Boost Mobile leveraged T-Mobile's network infrastructure to deliver budget-friendly prepaid plans without the constraints of lengthy contracts. Boost Mobile stands out for its competitive pricing and transparent plan structures, making it an excellent choice for cost-conscious consumers and those who value flexibility. Their entry-level $25 monthly plan provides unlimited talk and text, coupled with a reasonable data allowance, catering perfectly to casual users whose primary phone activities revolve around texting and social media. Boost Mobile also extends family plan options, allowing for shared savings across multiple lines, a compelling feature for families or groups of friends seeking a cost-effective shared plan. Ultimately, the best choice between Boost Mobile and Verizon Mobile hinges on your individual usage habits and budgetary constraints. If top-notch network performance, broad coverage, and premium features are paramount, Verizon is the clear winner. However, if affordability and flexibility are your primary drivers, Boost Mobile offers exceptional value without sacrificing essential features. By carefully weighing your needs and preferences, you can make a well-informed decision that keeps you connected while aligning perfectly with your lifestyle and budget.